In this video, I'll give you a quick introduction to how to make box plots, which are also called box and whisker plots, in R using the ggplot2 package. If you need a quick refresher on how to read in data, execute code, open a new script, things like that, go to the description of this video and I'll put a link there that leads to another video I've made that covers those basics. If you need to do that, go ahead. Otherwise, let's continue and start talking about box plots. In this one, we're going to make a box plot. So the first thing that we do is read in our data. If I run that, we've read in my data, and then I do again Command Enter to run the line head my data. And this gives us a quick overview of the file, just seeing the top of it along with the column names. And in this case, I want to take a look at making a box plot where the x-axis is type 1, which is a factor that I want to split into different boxes by. Box plot is a box and whisker plot, so it looks like this. We have the median, we have the first and third quartiles encased by the box, and then the range of the data is from the bottom of this line to the very top. Outliers are indicated by a dot, either above or below these ranges that are indicated by the lines. So in this case, I want the x to be type 1, so that's what we want to split by on the x-axis, and I want the y-axis, the distribution of the numbers here, to be based on the speed in the data. And so that's a numeric variable over here. So I do ggplot, where I use my data as the data frame that we're building around. The aesthetic is based on x-axis equals type 1, and the y-axis equals the speed. Then I use geom_boxplot, which automatically gives us all of this neat box and whisker stuff with quartiles and everything. If I run this with Command Enter, then I get this plot, and it's refreshing here. And if I want to, I can zoom in on this so we can better see what's going on. All right, now one of the fun things we can do with box plots is to actually split these so that they're not just boring and white, but we can split them by another variable. And if we set the fill color to #gender, which I'll show you what that looks like in the file over here. #gender is right here, and it looks like it's either true or false based on our preview of the data. And if I run this, where we just added this one little part, comma, fill equals #gender, let's run that. And now this is going to split each of the boxes into two boxes based on whether it's #gender true or false. And so these two boxes here at the beginning are both bugs, but they're split into two different distributions based on the #gender variable. I hope you liked that quick introduction to box plots in R. And if you want more quick wins, I suggest that you go to omgenomics.com/R and check out the Ultimate Beginner's Cheat Sheet. When you download that, you'll also get access to the Pokemon.tsv file that I've been using for this video, and that means that you can follow along and do it yourself. So check out that cheat sheet, and I'll see you later.